Hey everyone, welcome to Chinese Skill Unit 9. In this unit, we're going to learn how to talk about some things that we like, starting off with our hobbies, and then learning how to play some ball sports and musical instruments. After that, we're going to learn how to say both, all, neither, and none, and finish it up talking about relationships. It's going to be super interesting, so let's get started. In Chinese, 你喜欢做什么 means what do you like to do, and it's how we ask about somebody's hobby. To respond, we use the following sentence structure: someone plus 喜欢 plus a hobby. So for example, if you'd like to dance, you can say 我喜欢跳舞我喜欢跳舞跳舞 means dance in Chinese, and for me, I can't really dance that well, so I would actually say I don't know how to dance. 我不会跳舞我不会跳舞喜欢 means to like, and 会不会 means you either know or don't know how to do something. So for example, I like to ice skate. 我喜欢滑冰 I don't know how to ski. 我不会滑雪 Notice that in the words for ice skate, 滑冰, and ski, 滑雪, both start with the same character, 滑, which means to glide in Chinese. So literally, 滑冰 is like gliding over the ice, and 滑雪 is like gliding over the snow. 你会滑冰吗？你会滑冰吗？ Can you ice skate? 你喜欢滑雪吗？你喜欢滑雪吗？ Do you like to ski? Now let's learn how to say play in Chinese. In English, play can be used with sports and other ball games. For example, play basketball, 打篮球. Do you like to play basketball? 你喜欢打篮球吗？你喜欢打篮球吗？我喜欢打篮球。我喜欢打篮球。我喜欢打篮球 or playing tennis 打网球你会打网球吗 Can you play tennis 你会打网球吗 Here, play is translated as 打 which literally means to hit, because when you're playing these sports, you're using your hand or a racket to actually hit the ball. In English, play can also be used with musical instruments, such as playing the guitar, 弹吉他, or playing piano, 弹钢琴. In Chinese, regarding piano, guitar, and most other stringed instruments, play is translated as 弹. I don't know how to play the piano. 我不会弹钢琴。我不会弹钢琴。Do you like to play the guitar? 你喜欢弹吉他吗？你喜欢弹吉他吗？我喜欢弹吉他。你呢？ Great job, everyone. Now we're going to talk about the word 都, which means both and all in Chinese. 我哥哥和我都喜欢游泳. My older brother and I both like to swim. 都 always comes after the subject and before the verb. So let's take a look at that sentence one more time. 我哥哥和我都喜欢游泳。我和他都喜欢打篮球。Him and I both like to play basketball. 我和他都喜欢打篮球。Now for examples using all. They all like to ski. 他们都喜欢滑雪。他们都喜欢滑雪。We all like ice skating. 我们都喜欢滑冰。我们都喜欢 滑冰. But what about when we want to negate both and all to mean neither and none? For this, we simply place 不 after 都, and the sentence structure is as such. Subject plus 都不 plus the verb phrase. For example, neither my older brother nor I like to dance. 我哥哥和我都不喜欢跳舞。我哥哥和我都不喜欢跳舞。None of us likes to play tennis. 我们都不喜欢打网球。我们都不喜欢打网球。So how would you say neither of them know how to play the guitar? 他们都不会弹吉他。他们都不会弹吉他。Did you get that right? You're doing so great so far. And speaking of things we like, if you have a crush on someone, you might want to know if they're in a relationship or not. To ask someone if they have a boyfriend, you can say, 你有男朋友吗？你有男朋友吗？ And to ask if you have a girlfriend, 你有女朋友吗？你有女朋友吗？ Notice in Chinese the word for boy is 男孩 and the word for girl is 女孩, but boyfriend is not 男孩朋友, it's 男朋友. And girlfriend is also not 女孩朋友, it is 女朋友. 你有男朋友吗？你有没有女朋友？拜拜。